A lot of bench press, but I got Jeanette here, one of my favorite clients, to coach her up on trying to do the worst push-ups she could, and it was tough, but it was great. So oftentimes it's interesting. You'll see a picture coming up on a slide with the bench press. You would never think to do a bench press coming down over your throat area because, I mean, it just doesn't work. But yet again, or let alone when you have 10 clients go do a push-up, a lot of them are going to put their hands right up there by their face. So we're going to do a bunch of practice today. The coaching point with the head, we've had to fix 80% of people in the program is to try to get them to look like 6 or 8 inches out in front of them, just right around here, because it was just challenging to try to get everybody to, because they weren't connecting to make your neck neutral or straighten it or something like that or pick it up. So just give them the landmark, then it fixes it on its own. With the hand position, we're looking for about 1.5 times our biacromial length, or just a little bit wider than your shoulders. I feel really strongly about always mixing up our push-ups because it can get old if you just say every day with your personal training clients, your teams, let's do 10 push-ups, 20 push-ups. Mix it up, it keeps it exciting because there's so many different variations. And similar to the row and all the variations with bands and bars and bent over and seated and cable and all the things, you can do the same thing with push-ups. Maureen just mentioned with the seated or with the row that she really likes the high elbow row, and we get a little bit different musculature in there. Same thing as when we go with either a wide grip, a narrow grip, a regular grip here. When we're doing the regular one, we typically have them try to get their elbows pointed back at about 45 degrees, neck neutral.
So with someone who's been medically cleared to lift and to do this with you, but they still have a sore shoulder, this angle up here closes up the shoulder joint. So a couple of quick tips, and we were just doing it here, is drop the elbows down, and if you have somebody, if you really need to, bring your arm close to the body and just move more in an arc. Okay. Other thing that you want to try to avoid is the midline of your arm, the back of your arm. You don't want it to pass the midline of your body, and in some cases you may have to keep it in front. Some trainers like to use a rolled up towel, put it on the chest, and that's okay. It's not cheating because remember that every exercise has to be done in the pain-free range of movement. So if that's the range that someone's able to move and activate and do it without any pain, that's fine. So your modifications are drop the elbows down, get them close to the body, lower where you're touching on the chest with the bar, or with the tube in this case, and place something on the chest so that it limits the depth. So you don't want the back of the arm to pass the midline of the body. All those things keep the shoulder joint open and keep it happy so you can continue training.